Good morning. Today we'll be talking about how USIL and UCC could use. Firstly, the USIL and UCC could maintain their equipment and also adhere to safety regulations provided by the government. To prevent incidents like the Bhopal gas tragedy, USIL and UCC must prioritize regular maintenance of safety equipment, with inspections being logged properly. Independent audits should ensure compliance with strict penalties for lapses. Automated monitoring systems can also help detect failures missed due to human error or negligence.
So actions that need to be carried out. Regular expectation and maintenance of all safety equipment, example vent gas, scrambler, steam boiler. Proper login of maintenance activities in record books. Implementation of automated monitoring systems to detect equipment failures. Conducting independent safety audits at regular intervals. Ensuring compliance with safety regulations through oversight and imposing strict penalties for safety violations or negligence. So, who will be in charge of this? So, the responsibility doesn't lie with a single person or group, it's a shared among multiple stakeholders. Senior management sets the tone and allocates resources. The designated safety officers are responsible for day to day safety practices and responses. Independent auditors bring external perspectives and integrity to evaluations. And finally, government regulatory agencies oversee enforcement and compliance at broader levels. So each of these parties must have clearly defined rules and be held accountable to create a robust, multi layered safety net. So when and where? So when and where should these measures be applied? Timeline implementation must begin immediately and continue indefinitely. It's not a one-time fix, but an ongoing commitment. So the scope, these measures are applicable across all industrial plants with particularly urgency in facilities that handle chemicals, like dangerous chemicals. So the location, these actions must be enforced on site and each plant with oversight extending to both local and national levels to ensure consistency and compliance across the board.
Types of costs that may be incurred: capital cost, cost of machinery, operational cost, wages to those operating machines and supervising, compliance cost and other regulatory costs, and lastly, emergency backup costs. Potential problems. While the safety focused approach is essential, it may face several challenges. High implementation costs could discourage companies from adopting necessary upgrades, especially if they prioritize profits. There's also the risk of poor enforcement by regulatory bodies due to corruption or lack of resources. Automated systems, while useful, may malfunction or be ignored without proper oversight. Recommendation 2: educate employees and train staff members.
To prevent disasters like the Bhopal tragedy, UCIL and UCC should have prioritized not only equipment maintenance but also workplace safety culture. This includes providing worker awareness through regular training, emergency procedure drills, and clear guidance on recognizing warning signs. Regular safety drills help maintain alertness and readiness among employees. Steps to carry it out: improve worker awareness and training, implement regular emergency drills, strengthen safety culture, enforce stricter regulatory oversight, improve harsher penalties for non-compliance. Who will be in charge? Training coordinators in charge of organizing and overseeing all safety training sessions and ensuring the content is up to date. Supervisors and managers responsible for ensuring that workers attend training and understand safety protocols. HR department coordinates onboarding and ensures new employees receive property safety orientation. Compliance officer oversees adherence to legal requirements and coordinates with regulatory authorities.
And location of procedure. Timeline phase 1 0 to 3 months. Conduct initial safety orientation and training. Schedule first emergency drill. Appoint safety officers and establish reporting channels. Phase 2, 3 to 6 months. Complete initial government inspection and internal audits. Implement digital systems for audit tracking. Define safety violation categories and introduce fines. Phase 3, 6 or more months. Conduct regular emergency drill, quarterly or biannual. Hold periodic refresher training sessions. Ongoing audits and continuous compliance monitoring. Location UCIL, UCC industrial plants, location handling hazardous material, government officers, regulatory bodies conducting inspections, safety training centers on site, off site venues for training and drills. Types of costs, capital costs one time, installation of safety equipment, example gas scrubbers, sensors, upgrading or replacing outdated machinery, construction of safety infrastructure, example containment systems, operational cost ongoing, regular maintenance of equipment, salaries for safety officers and technical staff, employee training and safety drills, operation and maintenance of automated monitoring systems, compliances and regulatory costs, fees for government inspection and certifications, third-party audit and consulting services, documentation and reporting expenses. Problems. Implementing safety measures may face challenges such as high cost enforcement issues or human error. Automated systems could malfunction and companies might underreport violations. Resistance to change and overlooked hidden costs like downtime could also delay progress.